Welcome to my first lesson on how to change an improper fraction to a mixed number. All of my lessons will be simple to follow with easy step-by-step instructions so you can learn any math topic that you've ever struggled with. These are for kids up to adults, and I hope you enjoy my lesson. Feel free to comment and let me know what you think, or if there's other lessons you'd like me to try for you. First lesson we have is improper fractions to a mixed number. In order to do this, first you need to know what is an improper fraction. An improper fraction is a fraction whose numerator is larger than the denominator. And in case you didn't know, the numerator is always on the top. Denominator is always on the bottom. Easy way to remember is numerator starts with N, like north or up. Denominator starts with D, like down, below. Alright, so again, an improper fraction is a fraction with a larger numerator than its denominator. So, let's try one out. 9 halves. In order to change an improper fraction to a mixed number, all you need to do is one step: divide. Numerator on the inside, denominator on the outside. And every time it's just one step. 2 goes into 9 how many times? 4 times. 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract. 9 minus 8 is 1. We're now done. We have everything we need to change an improper fraction to a mixed number. Our 4 is our whole number. Our remainder of 1 is our numerator. And our 2, the number we were dividing by, is our denominator. So, when we rewrite it, 4 is our whole number, 1 is our numerator, and 2 is our denominator. 9 halves, or 9 over 2, is the same as 4 and 1 half. There you go. Simple enough, right? Let's try another one. 15 over 4. Again, you know it's an improper fraction because your numerator is larger than your denominator, which means we have to divide. Numerator on the inside, denominator on the outside. 4 goes into 15, 4, 8, 12, 3 times. 3 times 4 is 12. Subtract, 15 minus 12 is 3. We now have our whole number, our numerator, and our denominator, and we can rewrite our improper fraction as a mixed number of 3 and 3/4. That is how you change an improper fraction to a mixed number. Now I'll give you 2 to try on your own. You try them out, we come back together and see if you have them right. First one. 17 fifths. Second one, 22 sixths, and you go ahead and start working on them. I'll erase and leave room to start our work. Remember, at any time, you can pause the video, finish your work, unpause it, and you should be right at the point where the answers will be showing up. Alright. Hopefully you've tried both the problems and you're ready to see if your answers are right. If not, pause it, finish, and then play it again when you're ready to see the answers. So our first one was 17 fifths. What do we do for an improper fraction to a mixed number? We always divide. Numerator on the inside, denominator on the outside, and we ask ourselves, how many times does 5 go into 17? And it goes in 3 times. 5 times 3 is 15. Subtract, and we get a remainder of 2. Once we get our remainder, we're done. And again, whole number, numerator, denominator. And we rewrite it. 3 and 2 fifths. Good job if you got it right. If not, check your work and see what you did wrong. Alright, second problem. 22 6. Again, numerator larger than denominator, we know it's an improper fraction, and we divide. 6 goes into 22, 6, 12, 18, 24 is too much, 18, 3 times, 3 times 6 is 18, 22 minus 18 should give us 4. We now have everything we need for our improper fraction to a mixed number. Whole numbers, numerator, denominator. 3, and 4, 6. And there's your answer. But we're not done yet. And you should know how to simplify any fraction you ever had. 3 and 4/6 is the same as divide by 2, divide by 2, 3 and 2/3. So 3 and 4/6 is not right and not wrong. It is the correct answer, but you'll always want to simplify your fractions. 3 and 2/3. Good job. Hope this helped you. And check out any more of my videos. And if you have a topic that you'd like me to practice for you, give examples and explain, leave a message or send me an email. Thank you.